I'm 10 Tampa Bay Chief Meteorologist Bobby Deskins. Time to get that hurricane kit ready to go. You're going to want food and water for your family for 7 days. And that means 1 gallon of water per person per day. So my family of 5 needs 35 gallons of water. And you're going to need non-perishable foods, things that don't need to be refrigerated, right? You may not have power. Canned foods, of course, dry foods. Don't forget to get snacks that the kids will like because they'll make them a little bit happier through the process. Of course, plastic plates, utensils. You're not going to be able to wash dishes potentially. It's a good thing to be able to just use those and throw those away. Don't forget a can opener. How important would this be if you didn't have that with all of those canned foods? And you can actually look for canned foods that have the peel top because that'll help you out as well. Don't forget trash bags, Lysol wipes, things to help clean up. And you also want to get some baby wipes. They're really good to have to keep you and your family clean.
One thing you'll need in your kit this year are masks, especially if you have to evacuate.